In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Together Mode in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Together Mode is a fantastic feature that helps create a more engaging and immersive experience during meetings by placing participants in a shared virtual environment. So let's dive right in. First, begin by visiting the official Microsoft Teams website or opening the Teams application on your device. Once you're there, sign in using your account credentials. Whether you're using personal or work credentials, make sure you enter them correctly to access all the features you need. After logging in, look for the video icon on the main sidebar interface. It's typically located on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this icon will initiate the video conference options. Next, select the option to start a meeting. This action will open up a new video conferencing window. Before you officially join the active session, it's essential to adjust your camera and microphone settings. You want to make sure that your video and audio quality are just right. Take a moment to check that your camera is positioned well and that your microphone is picking up your voice clearly. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, look toward the top right corner of the meeting window for the View button. This button is crucial because it allows you to customize how you see the participants in the meeting. Click on the View button, and this will reveal a list of different display options. Among these options, you'll find the Together Mode preview. Selecting Together Mode will change the layout of the participants to create a virtual auditorium-style setting. This can make it feel as if everyone is sitting in a shared space, which is especially beneficial during larger meetings or educational sessions. Finally, take a moment to observe how the participants are arranged in this new layout. You should see everyone positioned together, creating a sense of connection and engagement that isn't typically present in traditional video calls. This layout can enhance interaction and make discussions feel more collaborative, mimicking the experience of being in the same room together. And just like that, you're done. You have successfully changed your meeting environment to Together Mode in Microsoft Teams. Enjoy using this feature to foster a more engaging atmosphere in your meetings. Remember, making the most of these tools can greatly enhance communication and collaboration, whether you're in a team meeting, class, or virtual gathering. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making the best use of Microsoft Teams and other online platforms. Happy teaming!